We'll guide you through how to screen mirror an Android phone to a Hisense VIDAA TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and get this screen onto your TV. You can go and have it much larger, and you can go and show different things like pictures, movies, a website, or your work. So we're going to guide you through step by step on how this is done. There's important things you need to know though, so make sure it's this full guide. And without any other further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just want to make sure both the phone and the TV are on the same network. So to do this on the phone, we need to go and swipe up, and you want to go and find the option for settings and tap there. In settings, you want to find the option for connections and tap there, and then find Wi-Fi. You can see this is connected to GR. Now what we need to do is you want to come back onto the TV. You want to come and press the home, and then tap over to the side menu here, like so, and then tap down the list all the way down until you have settings highlighted and press OK on the remote. Then you want to go down and find connection, press OK there, and go down and find network and press OK there. And you can then go and press OK on network configuration, like so. Now you can go and see the network you're connected to. We're connected to GR. Just make sure you are connected to the same one, because I know some people have multiple internet boosters and things like that around their house and network. So just make sure you're connected to the same network. Then what you need to do is you want to come and press the home button on the remote again, like so. I'm just going to tap down a moment. Now you want to come back onto the Android. Now, there are different ways we now need to do the next step because some Androids are different. So what you need to do first of all is go and swipe up for the first option and come to your settings again. Press search in the top right here, and we need to go and find the screen mirroring, casting, and sort of display mirroring setting. This can be called different things on different devices, but you can try search things like cast, display, mirror, mirroring, screen. So on this device here is called Smart, and it's Smart View. Now if you are struggling to find it, keep watching as I'll show you another way you can try finding it, but it's Smart View here. We tap there in a moment. I'll do it now, but that's the first way of doing it. Alternatively, you can drag down like this, and then you can drag down again. And on the control panel page here, you may go and find the mirroring option. So I've got mirror screen Smart View, and you can go and tap there. Now this is open, you'll probably find the TV isn't appearing. What we need to do is then come onto the TV. We'll go and press the home button, and you want to come down to sources and inputs, which is this option here. Or what you can do is just go and press it on the remote, this one in the top right, and it should go and open. Tap down and tap across to screen sharing. This will open up, and then the TV should shortly go and appear in Smart View. As you can see, there it is. You can then go and tap on it like so. Keep waiting, and then it should go and be displaying the phone on the TV, as you can see. And of course, you can go and open up apps as well. I'll go and show you a YouTube video right now. Here we are playing a YouTube video, and it's now working.